Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crème brûlée torch is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, transforming your dessert game from simple to spectacular with perfectly caramelized sugar crusts on crème brûlée, but also useful for browning meringue, toasting marshmallows, and even searing delicate dishes. Today, we will explore the top crème brûlée torches available on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your culinary creations. Number 5. TBTEEK Butane Torch. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition. The ergonomic design is comfortable to hold and keeps your hands safely away from the flame. This handy torch is refillable, and with 3 adapters, it works with most butane tanks. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking anywhere. It's great for so many things. From crème brûlée to soldering, you can adjust the flame for precise temperature control up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The piezo ignition is easy to use. Just press the button and rotate to get a continuous flame without having to hold the button down. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy, it's built to last. And it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Get yours today and experience the convenience and versatility of this amazing kitchen tool. It's perfect for cooking, crafting, and more. What we like? It has a safety lock to prevent accidents, is refillable for cost savings, and is versatile for various uses. If you prioritize safety and value a multi-purpose tool, this is a great option for home and professional use. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and adaptable torch for various tasks, from cooking to crafting. What people say. Worked great, easy to hold and has a switch so that you don't need to hold it down for a continuous flame. This torch was easy to fill with butane and worked perfectly and quickly to start a fire in our pellet smoker tube. You have to buy the fuel separately, but the torch comes with additional tips to use for different types of fuel cans. Works as described. Has a pretty big torch on the lowest and the highest setting is powerful. You can lock it so you don't have to worry about it being lit by mistake or if you want to keep your kids safe from using it. Great price and I use it for more than originally bought. You can light things a lot faster with this torch flame than a lighter or match. Also has a flared out wide bottom base to keep it from falling over. Number 4. Joe Chef Butane Torch. It's the perfect cooking tool for culinary enthusiasts. Reach new heights in your cooking with its adjustable flame and high temperatures. Create restaurant-quality meals at home. It comes with everything you need to get started, including fuel canisters. It's designed with safety in mind. Multiple safety locks and an adjustable flame ensure ease of use for everyone. This versatile tool isn't just for cooking. Use it for DIY projects, jewelry making, or even lighting cigars. Looking for a thoughtful present? It comes in a deluxe gift box, ready for any occasion. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 36-month warranty and a free recipe ebook. What we like? This torch features an adjustable flame for precise control, multiple safety locks for peace of mind, and comes in a gift box, making it a thoughtful present. If you are looking for precise temperature control and a safe, high-quality tool, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for culinary enthusiasts who appreciate both functionality and presentation. What people say. Great product, feels sturdy. Easy to use, easy to fill. Safety lock works, flame adjuster adjusts easily. Excellent torch lighter. Outstanding adjustable flame, plenty of fuel capacity, nice locking slide, easy to use and fill. It's easy to control the flame and adjust with ease. Number 3. Kitchen Cooking Torch. It's perfect for professional chefs and home bakers. Its reliable flame and piezo ignition ensure quick, easy lighting. Easily adjust the flame with the gas flow regulator. It creates a continuous flame up to 6 inches long, reaching 2,370 degrees Fahrenheit 1,300 degrees Celsius, and refills quickly with standard butane. The built-in finger guard protects against burns. It's made with durable, certified aluminum and ABS plastic for comfort and safety. It's not just for the kitchen. Use it for sous vide, flambé, searing, cocktails, lighting fires, cigars, and more. It's great for crafts too. Share the joy of cooking with this amazing tool. It comes in a deluxe gift box, ready for any occasion. Butane gas is not included for safe shipping. Remember to purchase butane separately and never use a flame to ignite it, it's already a lighter. What we like. It's professional grade for consistent performance, has an adjustable flame for precise control, and includes a finger guard for safety. If you demand quality and need a reliable torch for professional or serious home use, this is the one for you. Its safety features and consistent flame make it perfect for tasks requiring precision and control. What people say. The flame is adjustable, allowing for precise control depending on what you're using it for, and the safety lock is a great feature for peace of mind. It's also easy to refill. Its adjustable flame provides versatility, allowing you to tackle everything from delicate caramelization to robust searing. Number 2. EurKitchen Premium Culinary Torch. This is more than just a kitchen tool, it's your new culinary companion. Its robust design and reliable performance make it perfect for both home cooks and professionals. Notice its larger size? It provides better control and comfort than other torches on the market. The high-quality mechanism ensures consistent ignition every time. It features an easy-to-read fuel gauge, an adjustable flame, and a safety lock for peace of mind. Refilling is simple, too, using any standard butane canister. Your safety is our priority. The built-in finger guard and large body design keep your hands safely away from the flame. It's made with durable, certified materials. From crème brûlée to searing meat, and even starting campfires, this torch is incredibly versatile. Its many uses make it a must-have for any kitchen or outdoor enthusiast. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy a risk-free purchase with our lifetime warranty. It also makes a great gift for any occasion. What we like. It boasts a large, ergonomic body for comfortable handling, a fuel gauge for monitoring gas levels, and is backed by a lifetime warranty. If you value comfort, convenience, and long-term reliability, this torch is a top choice. It's suitable for those who appreciate ease of use and a durable, long-lasting product. What people say. The quality of the materials used for this product is well made. I like the foot it has to keep it standing up, and it has a straightforward lighting mechanism and procedure. Slide back that red tab, which is a good safety feature. You hear the hissing of the butane, then push the trigger right above it. It causes a spark and ignites the butane, fast and simple. The design is very nice and I was expecting to be very small, but not so much. It does say you get 60 minutes on full, but who's keeping track of the time when in use? Anyway, that's just minor. Main thing is it works properly, easy to turn on and off with the safety switch. Easy to operate, window on fuel tank lets you know how much butane is left, quick adjustable flame knob, can lock the flame on for hands-free operation, handguard protects fingers from melted material, very sturdy base. Number 1. inZaynity Dual Flame Torch. Introducing the inZaynity Dual Flame Torch. It features 2 flames for ultimate versatility, perfect for cooking, crafting, or any project needing a precise flame. This innovative torch provides an ignition lock for up to 30 minutes of continuous flame. It's ideal for chefs, bartenders, and artists alike. Made with durable materials, it's built to withstand heavy use. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Available in 5 sophisticated colors and presented in a deluxe gift box, it makes a stunning present. Its sleek design will look great in any kitchen or workshop. Simplify your tasks with this powerful and efficient tool. It's designed to make your work easier and more precise. Butane is not included. What we like. It offers a unique dual flame for versatility, an ignition lock for continuous use, and a sleek design for style. If you need a powerful and stylish tool for various applications, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for creative individuals and professionals who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. It's very easy to use, easy to refill, and I like that I can actually put this at a very low setting and it will produce a flame. This arrived in a well-secured packaging. It is easy to use and yet they made sure to provide an instruction in the packaging. Aside from being fancy, it is very easy to hold. You can set the flame and it really provides a good heat. It can burn sugar fast and gives ribs some little burnt appearance. This is the best lighter I've ever owned. It truly is a torch-like lighter. You have to calm it down when lighting a cigar or it will burn your face. It has a few switches, i.e. one to lock the flame on in the event you want to use it for soldering, etc., a flame adjustment on the top, and a torch adjustment on the side. The wind does not faze this lighter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.